Hi everyone, welcome. My name is Andreas Watts, and in this tutorial we're gonna learn about this. Okay, so in this Instagram tutorial we're gonna learn how to unblock people on Instagram if they blocked you in 2019. Okay, so if you have blocked each other and cannot unblock each other, I'm gonna show you how. And also, if this helped you out, you can go and follow me on Instagram, Andreas Watts. I will leave a link in the description. Okay. So I have two accounts that has blocked each other. So this is the first account, and to unblock the other account, just go to the three lines in the top right corner, go down to settings, go to privacy, go to blocked accounts, and we see this account that I have blocked. And to unblock this, just click on the account, and you can see the three dots in the top right corner. If you don't see the three dots in the top right corner, I will show you how you can do this another way, so just wait for that. If you have the three dots, just click on the dots and click on unblock right here, okay? But if you have like this, if I go to the other account and go to the three lines in the top right corner, go down to settings, go to privacy, go to blocked accounts, click on the account, and you have this. You have no three dots. You cannot unblock this user. Okay? So I found a way to get around this. So you need to have a third account. So I'm gonna log into a third account like that. And now I'm gonna click on the home button in the bottom left corner and go to the top right corner. Click on this DM icon. Alright, now we want to send a message. Now click on the write message in the top right corner. So now we want to search for the two accounts that has blocked each other. And click on the plus sign and add the other account. And click on the plus sign like that, and go to the top right corner and click on chat and just type hello, send. Okay, so only one of these accounts will get the message, so go to the account that gets the message. So in this case we got the message to Andreas Watts. So let's go to that account. And now click on the request. Click on the group chat. And click on allow. Okay, so in the top menu next to your username, you see the two profile images. Click on that. And here you can see the other user that is blocked. So just click on the three dots and click on unblock user. Okay, unblock user. They will not be able to see your post and follow you on Instagram. Instagram won't let them know you unblock them. So click on unblock. Okay. Okay, so let's go to Raw Natural Life. Go to the top right corner and click on the three lines. Go to settings, go to privacy, go to blocked accounts, go to the blocked account. And because we are not blocked by this account, we can now see the account and click on unblock and unblock again. Okay. Okay, so now you have unblocked each other. If this helped you out, just go to my Instagram and follow me. I will leave a link below, or just search for Andreas Watts. So this is how you can unblock people on Instagram if they blocked you in 2019. I hope this helped. Okay everyone, so this is the end of this tutorial. I hope this helped. If you want, you can leave a comment below. You can subscribe to my channel right here. And also check out my latest video right here. So I hope you have an awesome day. Take care and bye.